Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Before we get going with today's sweet video, if you accidentally forgot to use a referral code to start driving for Uber, it's okay. I'm going to show you how to use a retroactive sign-up code so you can get your guarantee of up to $1,000. All right, all you got to do is open the Uber driver app. At the top of the screen, you're going to see either your picture or 3 lines. Click there. Then you're going to click Earnings. Next, click Help or the question mark, depending on what you see. Click Account and Payment. Then click Referrals. Click Invited Driver, report my missing or incorrect driver referral. Click Send a Message. The invite code that you're going to use is JACOBL 17756UI. Friend's name is Jacob Letman. Phone number is going to be 307-349-7713. And the email address is goodvibetribe222@gmail.com. Finally, under details, you're just going to put, my friend Jacob referred me to drive for Uber. That's it. Send it in and get your guarantee of up to $1,000 to start driving with Uber. Oh, hey, it's you again. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I'm Jacob Letman. Good to see you. Before we get this video started, if you haven't started driving for Rideshare, it's pretty cool. Jump down into the description of this video below. You will find links to both Uber and Lyft so you can sign up and get sign-on bonuses and start driving. All right, cool. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Share this video if you feel like sharing it. And give it a thumbs up at the end if you like the content. All right, thanks you guys. Quick video today, but what we're talking about are 5 conversation starters that you can use with your passengers if you get bored and don't want to do small talk anymore, because you've probably had the same conversation 1,000 times with your passengers like I have. Where are you from? Do you do this full-time or part-time? Do you enjoy it? Do you make any money doing it? Do you do anything else? Are you in school? Okay, so if you want to spice it up a little bit, you can use these. They're tried and tested by yours truly. Number 1, you can ask your passengers, if their life was to be made into a movie, what would the title of that movie be? It will get them pondering, I promise. Number 2, the follow-up question to that is, what famous actor would star as you in the movie about your life? All right, these are good questions that make people think. They're tough. All right, number 3. If every person throughout history had a Twitter account and you could tweet and ask them one question, who would you tweet and what would you ask them? Not bad, not bad. Number 4, if you could trade lives with any famous person, who would it be and why? And number 5, this is my favorite one. I've learned this question since college, and it's a fun question just to ask lots of people. I like to get the response, but it is, what is the most beautiful thing that you've ever seen? Fun fact about that question, I've asked thousands of people that, and no person has ever said anything man-made. It's always either babies being born or somewhere scenic, something like that. But it's fun. These are fun questions. So if you're tired of the mundane conversations, try these conversation starters to mix it up a little bit. Let me know what you think. And if there's anything else that you think would be a great conversation starter, put it down below. Would love to read that and use it in my rides. All right, you guys. Once again, I'm Jacob Letman. Follow me on the gram at jacob.letman. Follow the Rideshare Hub on Instagram at Rideshare Hub. And until next time, everybody, stay safe out there.